Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Manas. So friends, the home banner section that is pending in the previous video. So I'll complete the whole process of home banner in this video. And friends, if you like our video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. And if you want to support us or help us, and you can also check out this link. So starting as in the previous video, we'll set these buttons, and in this video create this whole CRUD operation. Moving to the code, and this is the following code that we already have. That now we'll do a little change, like whenever we have an image. So in the previous video we only set up that text and link, but the image part is pending. Image part was pending, so we'll complete this one in this video. So if image is equal to blank, so when the image is blank, when we are creating the new entry, so then on that case we'll write where or we'll write where image is equal to no, we're not right where key underscore image, because the image we already have in the this inside the function image variable. So I will write the key image. And one thing more, that inside the public images I uploaded this image.png, like this image.png inside public slash images. So inside the images folder, inside public, I actually download this upload.png from the browser to show when we are creating the new file, just to show that this is the upload file image preview. So simply download any file that related to upload and copy this file inside the images folder. Now where key image is equal to, just write like this, and this URL, our asset should pointed to the asset folder. Then inside images, after that for our file name upload.png, this. So if the image is not blank, then we go to this part. Now okay, one thing more should be there. I will tell you what was that. Just write it. Key underscore image is equal to, so when we have the path of the image, we'll write asset this. I think that should be look like not this, it should be like this image, right? And after that, as we're setting up the values, now what I will do, in place of we'll put this image inside a span. So I will write span id is equal to image underscore image underscore html, right? And just remove this, or just copy this, simple. Now I will write where html is equal to paste this code, and inside the source I will write this key underscore image and width, and also write the height, HEIGST, height is equal to 100 pixel, and width should be 110 pixel. So this is the key. Now I will also update the HTML part. So the name is image underscore HTML, image underscore HTML dot HTML, HTML. Save this and check that thing when we are creating new moment. So this is as you can see, this is show the upload image PNG. So when we are updating, so it actually it will not show any kind of image because we don't have image, we have a simply a text value, right? So now okay, there is one more thing, that image photo, okay, it should be required, REQUIRED, um, required, required, and required. If you want, you can also change this placeholder as well, these placeholder, like, and you can change like if you are editing text, write it text like this placeholder. So I want to discuss one more thing, that so when we are creating the new when we are creating the new entry, then the image is to be required. But when we are updating the things, like for example, when I am updating any field in link, but I don't want to add the image, so in that case the image should not be required. Do you understand my point? Like when I am creating a new entry, then the image should be required. But when I am updating the thing, then the image should not be required, because the image is already in the database, but I want only to change the link or text. So for that, I also add one line of code, that hashtag. Uh, what is the ID of our image? That is photo, right? Copy that ID photo dot prop. So whenever it is blank, like I'm creating the new field, so it's required should be REQUIRD, required should be true. All right. But in the another case, when we are updating that updating the field, it's required should be false. Fine. Now creating the update home button. So one more thing should be there, I think. In the profile section, if yes, this ID is equal to form submit, as this actually form actually submit through this part, form submit. So it actually automatically gets that action part, whatever the URL it is, it automatically get the URL from the form input type action, sorry, the action attribute inside the form, and it automatically submit the form. So I will just write that ID inside the home form action like this, submit, and check it if once it is working or not. For that, going to the inspect network, update, and save changes. So it's a 404 error. mm, okay, there is okay, The but it should be the submit button, save changes. uh, where the save changes or input type button. Input type should be submit. Save it, refresh, update, save changes. Okay, now this is the update home banner. It actually shows that not found. The route update could not be found. Okay, and sorry, the route should be admin slash home date home banner. Admin slash, because I think we are using, yes, admin.php as well. So the route it is admin update home banner. Mm, copy this, and it should go to the store part, and the method it is we are using post. Now go to the home banner, public function store. Just write request and dollar request, name that request field. Now firstly we apply some validation over here. Validator, if we have the dollar, I think this will be work for us. Just copy this, paste it over here, right? Name, image. Now we have only text, link. This should be required, but this should not be string. Sorry, this should not be email. We don't have any phone and address. So if it is failed, otherwise we should go to the else part. This success. I think there should be one thing more that we are missing. This traits, from where we are sending the success messages. This one, dollar this success validation field. I think this should not be success. This should be error. Right. And let me check threads API response. Okay, error show alert this. Fine. Actually, I just want to check that if we are handling that success and error function as well in the script part. So just make sure that you are also handling the both the conditions like success and error part as well. So if the validation fails, this will go under this section, otherwise we'll go to the this section. So in the else part, right, like if dollar request has file which name is image. If it is any file that has an image, and another if dollar request id greater than 0. If the request has file and it is greater than 0, then what will we do? What will actually get that image from the database and remove that image from the storage folder, like from the public folder, remove the previous image and will set up the new image into that, right? For that simply write these things: image is equal to home banner where id is equal to dollar request 80 first. And where? Okay, actually, we should use this home banner, model home banner, because we have same name, home banner, controller name, and home banner, the model name. So that's why we have to use model home banner. But when you are creating the controller, make sure that you should the controller name should be home banner controller. Otherwise, it will conflicts with the name, right? So now, right, if hmm, if file exists, the path of the file should be image inside image. Why I write image inside image? Because inside home banner we are using image name, this one. That's why the name of the column. So if the file exists in the given path, so delete that file. Image image file. Mm, file. I think this file, yes. Make sure to also import the file namespace. So if the request ID is greater than 0, that means we are updating the field. Then we'll import the previous image and delete that image. And after that, this one. Now we'll create the new image. Now image underscore name is equal to images slash home banner, right? And after that slash write it um, dollar west image um, dollar request image in place of image. Mm. Actually, there must be if you have some kind of conflicts, also you can write. Also, you can concatenate some like random strings. But I will write it the time here and concatenate with slash this time. After that, dollar request image extension. Mm, right, A X T S N S I O N. Make sure the spelling should be right. So the image name should be images slash home banner, the time and the extension of the image like PNG, JPG. Now, the another thing is we have to move the image into the public folder. So request image move public underscore path images. Mm, I write this and dollar image underscore name, right? So if the request image if the request file has image, I will write this. Otherwise, mm, go to the else part and just check one thing over here. If the file request ID is greater than 0, then I will just get the image name. Dollar image underscore name should be equal to. So when we don't have file but we only want to change that link and text, so in that case, if we are not using this, our inside the database the image name should be null. So to don't if you don't want to that, uh, just write image name is equal to dollar image and image. So here we are rewriting the previous name of the image into the image name variable. So if else condition, after the if else condition, simply we model home banner update or create, right? So in the update or create, wait, in the update or create, the first parameter should be that in the in what terms, like in what terms we are updating or creating. Like if I'm passing the id, which is dollar request id, right? If the id is id matches with the database id, so it will update the query. Otherwise, if it doesn't find any id that matches to the database query, it will create that new query. So that's why we are using update or create. And after that, simply write text which is equal to dollar request text. After that, link dollar request name. Now then, image name dollar request image. Sorry, we don't have dollar request, it should be image underscore name, right? Save it and make sure that home banner should be fillable property should be added. So when you don't have any productive level, you should be write it, because we are using the entries mass entry object in the home bundle. Like whenever we are using this update or create, we have to assign the update productive fillable properties inside our model. So we have only three things. Mm, okay, I will show you what error should get. Just write it name and the one is image. I will cut this, save this, and firstly check if the image is being saved inside the public path. Then I will show you what the error it actually shows. I also, oh yes, this one. So open it, clear, refresh, update it, clear it all, choose a file, save changes. Okay, first the error is the validator not found. Fine. Use validator. Save that file. We don't want to refresh as the queries from the backend. Save this, save changes. Operation performed successfully. Let's check if the image is being saved or not. So I think the image is not saved, right? So the image is actually saved on outside only inside the public folder, but not inside the images and the home banner path. So I will write images slash home banner, same these thing, right? Save it, and I also comment this and save it again. Save changes. Now you will see the error. So the error is add text to fillable properties to allow mass assignment on this. So basically we when we are using create or update properties in the controller, we should assign the fillable properties. We should add the fillable properties to assign to allow mass assignment to the model. So mass assignment means when we are creating the new data into the database in the mass thing, like not one two or more than 100 200 or nearly 100 200 500 data at once. So we have to add the fillable properties in the model, so the process should be fast. So I will write the simply uh, paste it over here and save it. Now check it once. Okay, now the operation has been successfully, right? Check it in the database. Yes, now images slash home banner, and this also saved into the database like this. When we are updating image, okay, image is not showing there, but actually stored into the database. So I'll check home banner blade, check console actually shows the error. Why is it is okay, it is actually rewrite the image, not the image name. Hmm, Does we are passing the image console.log image, save it, refresh, update. Yes, we are passing the image, but we actually don't able to see the image right here. So just asset image. Hmm, if I will save it, image, if image is equal to image, this refresh, update, still same error. Mm, okay. I think we have to do one more thing. Connect into this image. Refresh. Yes, now the image is being shown, right? But now we also have one more thing, that when we are updating the things, like I'm selecting this test. So whenever I'm saving this, the operation performs successfully, but it actually doesn't reload the page or anything to reflect into the data table. So for that, mm, home banner, actually I don't one more thing, that I don't show any kind of message over here. So the message should be successfully updated. This one message, return this, return success, and okay, update, save changes. Now successful data, but it still don't reload the page. Mm, yes, If reader dot url, we have to url is equal to true. Okay, we have to set a variable url. url, I think should be right true. If it is working or not, let's check. Test, write any value to just to see the update. Successfully updated, but go to the network, response, message, data, url, true. Status, message, data, url, true. Result of status, result dot url. But we don't have any result dot url. We have result dot data dot url. Result dot status. Status is here. Okay, inside the data dot url. Fine. Just refresh once again. Update. Remove that w. Save changes. Yes. Now it is actually updating, but still showing the undefined. Because we are updating into the url. So our url is admin slash home banner. Just copy this home banner, write this, update, simply write save changes, undefined. Okay, there is one more thing. Actually, we are updating on result.url. Data, update, save changes, admin, home banner. I think href result slash home banner. Remove this home banner. Change, no, just hit the save changes. Now it is working fine, right? So now only we have okay, try to create the new one. Also test link anything image, save changes. Now two records has been made, and also one thing more, images slash home banner, new folder has been created as well. So hopefully we completed this section, but now only one thing is pending, that is delete part. So it is very easy, delete part. So we'll try to cover or we'll cover in this. Okay, well actually it is only a 2 minute portion, so we'll cover it in the next one. So in the next one we also create that size, color, attribute, categories. So just speed up our things, and fastly we'll go towards views.js whenever we completed that products as well. So hope you like this video, and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.